technology, 3D printed food. What can 3D printers do with food? 3D printers are already very popular. You can print many things, from small toys to parts for a machine. But did you know that you can print food too? In 2006, a group of students from New York used their 3D printer to print chocolate, cookie dough, and cheese. In one of their videos, you can see the printer make many small chocolate turtles. These are hard to make for chefs, but the printer can do it quickly. With 3D printing, the shape of the food can also be changed. For example, you could print milk in a cube shape or bananas in the shape of a mushroom. However, many people think this is a little strange. Scientists are also looking at other ways to use this. Not many people want to eat insects, but they are very healthy. That is why we could put insects in a 3D printer and make them into a delicious shape, such as a steak or a hamburger. That way, more people might want to eat them. It would not only be healthier, but insects also cost fewer resources to raise. 3D printers are not perfect yet. They cannot use many different ingredients at the same time, and some still need to be cooked. Some ingredients are very hard to use with 3D printers. Right now, you can buy a 3D food printer for your home. They can already print pasta, chocolate, and pizza. Do you want to try them? Key vocabulary: 3D printer, popular, print, part, machine, dough, chef, cube, shape, strange, way, insect, healthy, resource, raise, perfect, different, ingredient. At the same time. Let's talk. What food do you want to print with a 3D printer? Can you cook? What can you cook?